Hey, hello friends, welcome back to Brintechno. Welcome to our new and fresh video, guys. Yes, guys, your boy and your mama is back with another new and fresh recipe. So thank you so much, guys, for the tremendous response given to our previous video. Which was the previous video, mama?
Mutton dum biryani.
Yes, the mutton dum biryani was our previous video, and folks, if you haven't watched that video, go right now and check out that video. I will leave the link in the description as well as somewhere over here. And mutton dum biryani has come out so well, guys. You have to watch it. And yeah, so today we are back with another new recipe, and this recipe is immensely popular in southern part of India. I mean in and around Mangalore. And this recipe is prepared in almost every community houses around here. I mean around in Mangalore and Udupi. And to prepare chicken sukka, there are different varieties, and this is one of the recipes. Different communities prepare different type of chicken sukka, and this is how we prepare. Hope you guys like this chicken sukka recipe, and I got lot of messages from you guys like to show me this recipe. So yeah, guys, here we are. We have done our part, and chicken sukka goes well with the neer dosa. I mean water dosa, neer dosa, roti, and dumplings, chapati. Yeah, idli, it goes well with this. So yeah, without further ado, let's start today's video and let's see how to prepare this chicken sukka recipe. So now to prepare chicken sukka, we require 1 kg of chicken. Now add little oil to the cooking pot. Once oil gets heated up, add 1 finely sliced onion to it. Now saute it nice and thoroughly till onion turns golden brown. And now add handful of curry leaves. And now give a quick shot of mix. And now goes cleaned and washed chicken. And now mix it nice and thoroughly. Once you're done mixing nice and thoroughly, add little rock salt as per the requirement. And now goes 5 to 6 teaspoons of ghee. Put the lid on and let it cook for 5 minutes. Now the next process is to prepare the masala. This is the first key ingredient for the sukka. So take a frying pan, add oil to it. Once it's heated up, add 18 red chilies, 3 teaspoon coriander seeds, 2 cinnamon and 5 cloves, 1.5 teaspoon of poppy seeds, 10 to 12 black peppercorns, half teaspoon methi seeds. And now we need to fry all these ingredients nice and thoroughly till it turns golden brown. And now transfer all these ingredients to the blender. And now to this add half lemon sized tamarind, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, add little water and make a fine ground paste. Now add this fine grounded paste to the chicken, add half cup of water and mix it nice and thoroughly. And now when it starts bubbling up, put the lid on and let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes on simmer. And now let's prepare the second key ingredient, and that is the golden fried coconut. So take a frying pan, add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, and to that add 1.5 teaspoon of jeera and 15 to 16 garlic cloves. And now we need to fry these ingredients till it turns golden brown as it says. And once it's done, transfer it to the blender, and we need to coarse grind these ingredients without adding water. And now transfer this coarse grinded coconut to the chicken and give a quick shot of mix and let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. As you can see folks, the chicken sukka has started extracting oil in it, which means the chicken sukka is done. So let's switch off the flame. And here you go guys, the yummy and tasty, the Mangalorean's favorite delicacy, chicken sukka is ready to serve hot.